Hi everyone, Sandy here. As you can see, I have some plant mail. So yeah, got a package from Planterina. I've always wanted to try ordering from them, and they finally had a plant that I really wanted. And actually, they did have this plant in the past, but sold out very quick. They did restocked, but they increased the price. But after going back and forth, I said, you know what, just pay for it. don't don't regret it later, right? So yeah, for those who are in the plant community, I'm sure everyone knows who Planterina is. She first started out, well, Amanda, I think her name is, first started out on Instagram. She has a beautiful channel full of plants. I think she turned her garage into a huge plant room, and her house is also very beautiful. She does a lot of decorating with plants around her house. So whoever don't know her yet, go check her out. She's great. So yeah, she recently started a YouTube channel and started selling plants. So yeah, let's open and see what's inside. So I ordered this Friday late afternoon maybe, and I didn't receive any kind of email or confirmation about shipping until Monday. Today is Wednesday, so yeah, the shipping process is pretty fast. I do see some dirt or soil, I'm sorry, soil, and yeah, some loose item in the box too, but yeah. Let's open it. I didn't order that big of a plant, so I don't know why she ships it in such a big box. It seemed like it's a kind of waste. What do you think? I don't know. Oh. Should have gotten better shears to cut open the box. So here's how the inside looks like. As you can see, it's only this small pot. A lot of empty space. Okay, so I do have an invoice which tells me the date I ordered, my order number, and my item. Yeah. Okay, so let's dig in. So as you can tell, I got a Hoya. So here are some of the care tips. For a complete care tip, you can go to her website. Let's see, getting started. What does it say? Okay, remove all packaging material carefully. Sorry, I'm not reading it like it's written. Don't mind me. Check soil. If dry, water plant thoroughly and then let it drain. Wipe the leaves with a soft, damp cloth and then move your plant to a spot of your choice. Okay. So they have a bamboo sticks right here to prevent it from like moving around too much in the box. Inside you see some of this paper shred. Oh, she did a video recently where she used this to make disposable paper pots, which is kind of cool. Okay, I have to rip this. Where's the scissors? Okay, it's making a mess. Good thing I'm doing it outside. Oh, everything's falling out. Oh no. Oh, I cut. Oh. Here you go. So yeah, I got the Hoya Linares. Always wanted one of these, but they were always so pricey. But you know what? It was still very pricey. Originally, they've been selling it for $27, $28, $30, $40, $50, $60, $70, $80, $90, $100, $150, $200, $300, $400, $500, $600, $700, $800, $900, $1,000, $1,200, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, $8,000, $9,000, $10,000, $11,000, $12,000, $13,000, $14,000, $15,000, $16,000, $17,000, $18,000, $19,000, $20,000, $21,000, $22,000, $23,000, $24,000, $25,000, $26,000, $27,000, $28,000, $29,000, $30,000, $31,000, $32,000, $33,000, $34,000, $35,000, $36,000, $37,000, $38,000, $39,000, $40,000, $41,000, $42,000, $43,000, $44,000, $45,000, $46,000, $47,000, $48,000, $49,000, $50,000, $51 was it $27.50, that which includes shipping, but I missed out on that deal, so I was really pissed off from seeing other people's unboxing. They got really nice pots, really full pots. So when they restocked, they actually bumped the price $10 more. So I got this for $37.50. I think. I'm pretty sure I did. It doesn't really say on the invoice. I mean, it does include shipping, so I guess it's not too bad. I don't know, but yeah, not bad, right? Is this considered pretty full? It's pretty full, right? There is a lot of dried up parts here, or broken branches or stems, where you call it. But other than that, it looks pretty good, I guess. So yeah, I finally got my hand on one of these. I'm so excited. I just have to brush it off, clean it up a bit, because you can see the soil everywhere. So again, this is from Planterina. If interested, I'll link her information below. But yeah, hope you like my quick unboxing. It was a little messy, but at least my plant looks good. Okay, thank you so much, and hope to see you guys all soon.